Yes, my dear student, for the second day on the chapter Accounts from Incomplete Records, we shall try to find the profit or loss of the business by using a method given in the book, which is called Statement of Affairs method, under which if all the data are available, how to find the profit or loss, we shall see it. Just to make you understand, I take the problem number 1 from the textbook. Problem number 1 from the textbook exercise. What is given there? The first one, the capital at the beginning of the year, that is opening capital, I have written. The next item, capital at the end of the year, 8,50,000, I have written. Then additional capital introduced, 1,20,000, additional capital 1,20,000. And the fourth item, drawings made during the year, 70,000, drawings 70,000. So, this figure is given, this figure is given, and additional capital is given, and the opening capital is given. We will have to find the profit or loss. Generally, you should remember, in algebra also we are told, if there are 5 variables in an equation, if you know the values of any 4, we can find the fifth one. If there are 4 variables given, if you know the values for 3, we can find the fourth one. If there are 3 variables given, if you know the values for 2, we can find the third one. If 2 variables are given, if we know one value, we can find the other one. This is the general rule. In this format also, there are 5 items. Out of these 5 items, we know 4 items value, so we can try to find the fifth item. What are those 4 items? Capital at the end, drawings, additional capital, and the opening capital. These are the 4 items given. We are trying to find the profit or loss of the business. So here, statement of profit or loss for the year ended. What is the closing period? It is given there, 31st March 2019. 31st March 2019. This is. So what we can do, according to the format given, we should add the drawings with the capital at the end. Add these two, we will get 9,20,000. Less additional capital, add drawings, less additional capital from the answer. 9,20,000 minus 1,20,000. So the answer is 8 lakhs, which is called adjusted capital. So the drawings is added, additional capital is minus, and finally we have one figure, that is we have one capital which is adjusted after these 2 items. So it is called adjusted capital. With this adjusted capital, we should compare the opening capital to find the profit or loss. Actually, in the book it is less opening capital. We should not write so. We should not write it. Because sometimes if this number is greater than this, we can minus it. Less. Sometimes this number may be greater. We cannot minus it. So, we should not write either less or anything else. You write simply the opening capital. Compare these two. 8 lakhs minus 5 lakhs, which comes to 3 lakhs. If we can minus if we minus the bottom number from the upper. From the upper, if we minus the bottom number, we will get to profit. If we minus the bottom number, if we take the bottom number, then if we minus the upper number, we will get loss. Top to bottom profit. bottom to top it is loss. In this problem, the top number is higher, therefore we can minus and find the profits. And to know or to find the other problem, answer for the other problem, we shall pass on to the problem number 2. The same format, but the figures are different, and we shall see what happens in this problem. Capital as on 1st January. See, I am doing the problem number 2 from the exercise. Capital as on 1st January 2018. That is in the beginning of the year. Therefore, opening capital 2,20,000. Opening capital is 2,20,000. Wherever the figure is given, even if the order is changed, you find the place where it is in the format and substitute the number there. And the second item given here, capital as on 31st December, that is closing capital 1,80,000. That is capital at the end, 1,80,000. And the third item given is additional capital introduced during the year. Additional capital 40,000. Yes. Then the fourth item, drawings made during the year 50,000. Drawings 50,000. So, what you will have to do? Go through the problem, find the figures given there, and write it wherever it is. Where you should substitute it, you find the place where it should be substituted, you find the place and write the figures there. Thereby you can continue the problem. Now what I have done? I have find the places of the figures in the format and I have written them all. Now we should follow the format. What? Capital at the end of the year 1,80,000. Add drawings. Add 1,80,000 with 50,000. 2,30,000. And from this less additional capital 40,000. So this is 1,90,000. 2,30,000 minus 40,000, 1,90,000. Now you can compare the first problem with the top this second. What happened in the first problem? The number in this place is higher and this place it is lesser. That is, the top number is greater and the bottom number is smaller. So from the top to bottom we have done. Now this top number is smaller and the bottom number is greater. So you minus in the reverse way. 2,20,000 minus 1,90,000. So you will get 30,000. This is otherwise loss. It is not at all profits. If you minus or if you can minus the smaller one, that is bottom number from the top, you will get the profits. If you can minus bottom number from the top number, it is loss. Top to bottom profit. Bottom to top, it is loss. This is the second problem given under exercise.